Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Hashirayaz. I am the student of Ryan School, Islamabad, the Fate Campus at Foundation level. This is my TEDx talk on the topic of Message of Peace from Pakistan by Ashir Hassan. Assalamu alaikum, and today I watched the inspiring TEDx talk, A Message of Peace from Pakistan by Ashir Hassan. This TEDx deliver a powerful message in hope, unity, and the true image of Pakistan. In this way, Ashir Hassan explained that the Pakistan is often shown negatively in international media, but there the reality is very difficult. He says that Pakistan is often shown negatively in international media, but the reality is very different. He says that Pakistan is a country full of talented, hardworking, and peaceful people who want progress and positivity for the future. One of the most important lessons from this TEDx talk is the peace that begins with understanding. When people only hear negative stories, but they're developing fear and misunderstanding. But when we share positive stories, we build trust and respect between nations and communities. The Ashir Hassan also talked about the role of young people. He believed that the youth of Pakistan have the power to bring change through education, innovation, and social work. Instead of spreading hate, young people should spread knowledge, kindness, and unity. And the strong point from the talk is that every individual can make a difference. Every small acts of kindness, honesty, and compassion can help create a peaceful society. Peace is not only the responsibility of government; it starts from ordinary people like us. I also like how Ashir Hassan proudly represents Pakistan on an international stage. His message encouraged Pakistan to believe in themselves and work positively for their country. My biggest takeaway from this talk is that peace is built through understanding, respect, and positive action. We should always try to become ambassador of peace in our schools, homes, communities, and social media. Thank you everyone for listening. So, viewer, this is my TEDx talk. This is very inspiring TEDx talk, Peace of Pakistan by Ashir Hassan. So this is very inspiring TEDx talks. I know. I hope so. You learn this and you share this TEDx on others. And so, Assalamu alaikum, Pakistan Zindabad.